All right, guys, let's check out this van real quick. This is an impromptu mini tour. First video I have done since I've gotten sick. I talked about a lot on my live stream, which if you are new to the program, first off, consider subscribing. But also I do lives once a week on Wednesdays. I don't really know the time, but it's right around between 5 and 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So make sure you hit that notification bell as well. I put out a vlog usually on Sundays. Usually it's a personal vlog, a fun vlog, entertainment. Sometimes I give reviews on products type of vlog, or maybe I'm just talking into the camera, giving out free information about van life, tiny living, travel, adventure, maybe something like that. And then Thursdays, I try to do tours of other people's rigs, whether it's an overlanding rig, a van, a tiny home, a container home, a SUV life, RV life, whatever it is, or a shop. I also do tours of shops, so I try to do tours of different people and doing different things. But I have not picked up a camera in 2 weeks. Today, oddly, is the first day that I'm allowed to be around people. And this video is kind of special because my friend, Odd Timing, is moving literally a block away from me. If you've been following my channel for a little while, then I have talked about that I'm actually in Bend, Oregon right now, and I used Bend as a getaway. And then I was like, where am I gonna go to next? I actually have already decided that I'm moving to Las Vegas, and I'm heading there in about 5 weeks from now, which, oh my goodness, I can't believe it's 5 weeks. Yeah, it's five weeks, oh my goodness. Wow, I'm getting my butt in gear over here. Anyways, my buddy is moving in literally a block away, and he's a van builder. He's what I like to call, like, I don't want to call him a backyard builder because I think he's a little bit more advanced than that. However, I have a term, a term that has been thrown around amongst a bunch of my friends, backyard builder or driveway builder. Nothing wrong with it, because guess what, guys? We all have to start somewhere. And I'll kind of get into that in a different video about the difference between a backyard builder and a professional builder, etc. and so forth. Backyard builders are professionals. They're just a little bit different style. They usually don't have more than 2 people working for them. It's either them by themselves or somebody helping them as maybe some sort of like a partner that's helping them do these builds. Nothing wrong, again, with backyard builders or driveway builders. Again, we all start somewhere, and that's, Amazon started out of a garage. So did several other, massive companies. Anyways, let me show you what I've been up to. I'm gonna leave my office. I'm in my garage now. I somehow have to clean all of this up in the next 5 weeks. And I'm supposed to be going to an event, Tiny Fest, down in California. This was a coffee table that I wanted to make myself. Now this is the underside, so this is kind of messy. Let me flip it up. Let me just show you what it's supposed to look like, because it's supposed to be really pretty. That's it's gonna be all cleaned up and everything. Spend a lot of time with this guy right here, my belt sander. Normally I would try and put this through some sort of planer. I don't have that luxury, everybody. I don't have a really nice, massive planer. I have some leftover bamboo, so I made a couple river tables. Actually, these are gonna be coasters. So I'm gonna be cutting these right here, and then I'm gonna be cutting the ones right here. So this is gonna be like 18 coasters that I'll be making. I gotta clean it all up. There's a lot of work I still gotta do those, but I've been sick the last couple weeks. Like I said, I have not turned the camera on in 2 weeks, so this is really interesting. My friend's coming, my buddy, my new neighbor, like an hour. So let's pick this up when he gets here, and let's see what he's been up to, because he has 2 vans. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! So I've been sanding like a madman inside my shop. Shane just came by, and he brought Millie with him. Hi, girl. She's gonna stay in the backyard, though. Hi, girl. Let's go see what these guys are up to. They just drove cross country with 2 vans, because Shane is moving his whole operation out here. There's one van, almost built out. Second van. And his buddy that helped him move out here, he's got this 1971 Volkswagen.
Oh yeah.
That worked like a glove, eh? Why am I moving? I guess that was my whole point of this. Now I got like cool friends here in Bend, cool toys, a A van builder that's building out 2 vans? Why am I leaving? Don't you start. You got all your stuff back there, buddy?
Dude, I got every tool I own back here.
I guess you're gonna go drop off this trailer, right? Whoa, you strapped a bike to the roof?
Oh yeah.
What? This is a mess, bro.
Just drove 3,000 miles. My entire life in here.
What are you taking it all out for?
This is his.
Yeah, these are mine too.
Oh.
Yeah, the rest is mine.
That's on the other side of the street.
Is it open?
Oh, I'll open it, yeah.
Let's go peek inside, guys. He says it's gross. I think it's cool. I believe that van is for sale. This thing's BA, man.
Not too shabby.
This thing is so cool.
Yeah, then
You have like,
you just grab
this
this.
is like simple living at its finest, man.
Bed folds down.
That's the bed going this way?
Yep. All the way back. It's all cushioned back there.
Holy crap.
Then I just...
You said you still want to do some fixing up stuff.
Yeah, I'm gonna gut the whole inside of it.
Are you really?
Yeah, I'm gonna redo the whole top with wood and then rebuild all this stuff. Did it a couple of years ago as my first try with any type of woodwork, so.
And by the way, guys, that's a dual slider. How cool is that? Ah, Silver Moon Brewing.
Good.
Yeah.
Could open it
That's,
up,
yeah, you can. Look at that. That's kind of awesome. Dude, you got a surfboard on the roof?
A couple, yeah. Longboard.
Not much surfing you can do out here in Bend. There's a river here in Bend. There's like a wave that everybody surfs on, but you can't longboard on that thing.
No.
This thing is cool. I like it. I don't know about you guys. I like this thing a lot. 2-wheel drive. It's not a 4x4, but that's okay. I don't know. Maybe should that be my next van? Getting a little VW bus?
Dude, they're awesome, right?
Aren't they cool?
Yeah, so cool.
They literally just pulled up. I feel kind of bad. Can we end the vlog with, I know it's a mess, but you want to show off your inside of your van?
Yeah, let's do it.
Wow, that's cool.
On the road again.
All right, guys, let's check out this van real quick. This is an impromptu mini tour. You put a partition in here, eh?
Yeah.
How do you like it?
I'm not sure about the wallpaper, so
No.
we'll see how I feel
I like
about
the
it.
chevron.
Yeah.
It's pretty.
I don't know if I like it.
Is this the extended or just a regular?
Extended.
It's a Ford Transit 350 or 250?
350 XL.
350 XL, big boy.
Yep.
You got your job, man.
It's not a platform. I just got the air mattress on there for traveling.
I was literally just about to say this, everybody. This is where you've been sleeping?
Yeah.
And I'm just going to call him out. I feel kind of bad, but this is actually where he's going to be sleeping the next couple of days because his apartment isn't ready yet. He just found this out. He's a little bitter about it.
Okay.
But look, it's got a full shower in here. That's a surprise. We can't really talk about that, can we?
Window?
Yeah.
Yeah, somebody stole my idea.
Dude, this is a really nice. This is a dinette style. This is not a fixed bed. Big old bench. Did you U it or did you just dual it?
What'd you say?
Did you U the bench or did you just do one on each
It's
side?
just one on each side.
Nothing in the back, so
No,
it's
nothing in the
complete pass through.
Look through.
That's pretty cool. He kind of did his signature Shane Dennis maneuver.
Yep.
You know,
That's
going
it.
across and then
That's it.
having the whiteboards going this way. Skylight, huh?
Yep.
Much deserved.
Skylight, huh?
Not many do that. What company is that?
Dometic.
It's a Dometic?
Yep. The mini.
Push open, right?
The mini haiku or whatever.
The mini one. It actually brings in a lot of light.
No one ever climbs through their sunroof, so I don't understand why they get giant ones.
Big old isotherm fridge. Induction cooktop. Big bamboo countertops.
Yeah.
Like thick. I'm gonna get down here so you guys can see it. Look at the size of this, the thickness of this bamboo. Special ordered. Well, we're gonna do a full tour of this in a couple weeks. Shane is open for business. This van's also for sale. I actually like the partition.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a good security blanket.
Yeah, I'm gonna build this out here, and then I'm most likely gonna put something up here as like a shelf in there.
Nice.
I just haven't gotten around to it yet.
You haven't gone around to a lot, but
Yeah.
it'll be done in, you're saying 3 to 4 weeks?
Couple weeks.
Couple weeks, he says. You literally he drove 3,000 miles in 4 days?
We were at the border of Idaho and Oregon yesterday, like 30 minutes outside when we slept.
Yeah.
So that was 4 days. Towing a trailer.
That's what I'm saying, yeah.
Going 65 miles an hour. I wouldn't go over that.
If you haven't already, go like and subscribe, and now you can follow this guy. What's your Instagram again?
I don't even remember.
I think it's like Shane Dennis, Shane.Dennis.
Shane.Dennis.
With like 3 N's or something. I don't know. He's bigger on TikTok.
I need to make more. I was thinking of ideas as I was coming out here. We're gonna do some videos.
We got some stuff. We're gonna do some stuff together. I'm more excited to see Millie, his pup.
We got a big night ahead of us.
We do? You're cooking me dinner, right?
Big dinner, and then Dogecoin is going to the moon, and we're gonna make some money. We're gonna sell.
By the way, I'm an affiliate for Webull if anybody's interested in that. I am. Check on that description below. I'm actually recording this the day before I post it, so hopefully Doge goes up with Elon Musk out there.
Doge to the moon.
Doge to the moon. Yeah, because actually me and Shane both invested in it weeks ago. All right, guys. Till next time. I gotta get my energy levels back from being sick. I am. This is some good stuff. My new neighbor for about 5 weeks, and then I'm out.
It's right near the Home Depot.
All right, see you later.